It's Thursday the 26th, I'm FX Blue and this is CurrencyTransfer.com's market update. And the headlines today are that a US-EU trade war seems to have been averted as Trump and Juncker make good progress. The UK seems to be preparing for no-deal Brexit, and the euro is unlikely to be moved by the ECB meeting. So Trump and Juncker met in Washington yesterday, and to many people's surprise, they seemed to get along. They discussed their concerns over a trade war following the US tariffs on imports from China and the EU, and so far nothing has come of a 25% tariff suggested on EU vehicles. Instead, they agreed to work together to lower barriers towards free trade. Good news. The positivity surprised the markets and global risk appetite rose. This pushed the dollar lower as traders moved out of the safe haven dollar. The dollar index fell to 94.15 and euro dollar rose to around 117.40. In the UK, Theresa May has made it. She's made it to the summer recess. Pressure for her should subside, certainly for the short term, until MPs return on September the 4th. In the meantime, though, to reassert her authority, she's taken over direct control of the Brexit negotiations, and she will personally head up a UK team during the upcoming talks in Brussels. But Brexit is longer term and the market is notoriously short-termist, so sterling actually managed to break through 132 against the dollar yesterday when the Trump and Juncker talks went well in Washington. Today we've got the ECB meeting. It's going to be the last meeting until September the 13th. It has zero chance of any rate hike, as Draghi has already told markets there'll be no rate hike before autumn 2019. He'll probably reiterate the optimism over future growth and confirm that inflation is under control, so no need for any action on short-term rates. At best, we may see a little bit more colour on when the ECB is planning to withdraw the asset purchase scheme. But meanwhile, the euro remains reactive. It rose against the dollar yesterday, but closed virtually unchanged against the pound at around 112.50. Got any questions? Please pop them in the comments below. Otherwise, I'll see you tomorrow.